Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we have this. This is the leak-free air adapter from Tusk. And this has two main functions. And the first and most important is that when you have your air forks or your shock on a dirt bike, or if you have a mountain bike, you got your fork and your shock, this will prevent any air escaping from your fork or your shock when you're detaching your air pump. And the way it does that is that it isolates the air from their fork or shock from the actual pump itself. It's very easy to use, and I'm sure a lot of you have been there because I use this all the time on my mountain bike, because even though my pump has a valve and is not supposed to let any air escape out of my fork or shock, there's still times where I take it off and it just sounds like, man, that sounded like a lot more air than what was just left inside the hose on my air pump. And this will just ensure you get that peace of mind that one, your air pressure is accurate and that you're not losing any when you take everything off. And the way it works is really simple. And the other big function that's nice about it too is it just acts as an extension for your Schrader valve. So on this KTM, you can see Schrader valve's up here on top, kind of hard to get to thread on your pump. So with this, you're just gonna take it, it's just gonna thread right on. All right, you don't need to go crazy. Once you feel this thing get pretty snug, you can stop there. You don't have to try and bottom it out. And then I'm just gonna take my air pump, turn this on. Now this rider's gonna want his fork set to 146 PSI. So then I'm just gonna take my pump and it's gonna thread onto this end. So we are at 143. So I'm just gonna pump this up to 146. Okay, there we are. Now, all I'm gonna do is just unthread this. And you are gonna hear some air escape, but you can rest assured that that air is only coming from what is still inside your actual air pump. So, I'm gonna unthread it. And then once I've done that, now I can unthread my air leak adapter, or leak-free adapter, excuse me. And you notice when I took that off, you didn't hear any additional air coming out. So now I know for certain that the air pressure I set is correct, and I didn't let out any additional air that I didn't want to when I was taking my pump off. So again, it's just giving that peace of mind that you're not losing air, that it's set to exactly where you had it when you pumped it up. Again, you can use it for dirt bikes and for mountain bikes. It's awesome to have. And like I said, acts as a nice little extension, makes it easier to get to. If you have questions or comments about it, leave those down below, we'll get those answered. To grab one, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free, over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on cool little products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.